Today I just received a lot of packages from Korea and I'm going to assemble a computer for my videographer. It cost me a lot of money to purchase all those assembly parts, but I guess it's still cheaper than buying the one set of computer, and also I was able to choose the parts that I needed for only video editing. So this computer is dedicated for video editing. To be more specific, it's designed for using Premiere Pro. So let's assemble those parts. This is SSD 256 gigabytes. It's really fast one. SSD is a storage. It's a fast drive. Wow. Compared to the HDD, this one is so tiny, expensive, and this is so fast. This is mouse. This is nice mouse. I don't think I need to open this one. Okay, I will keep it here. And this one is GeForce GTX 750 graphics card. Wow, the package is nice and 3-year warranty. And this one is casing. This is casing. Case doesn't need to be that big. I like small size. Well packed. Wow, not so big and nice. Another one. This one. DDR3 8GB 3 pieces. Simple package. When it comes to RAM, Samsung's RAM is the most reliable and it has the best quality. Oh, so surprising that this memory. Look at this. Made in the Philippines. There's factory in the Philippines producing those stuff and then shipped to Korea and then it got back to the Philippines. This is motherboard. This is from Gigabyte. I think the motherboard from Gigabyte is the best. 3-year warranty as well. Nice packaging. I like it. Good. Okay. Ooh. This one is so heavy. Wow. The package looks really nice. This is Korean brand. This is power supply. When it comes to power supply, I prefer a good, reliable product. I believe this power supply is reliable, safe, and it won't cause any problem. So if power supply is cheap, it may produce not the clean energy, clean power. I mean clean electricity for the computer. So I chose reliable and somewhat expensive one, and 500 watts. Look at this gigantic fan. The good thing about the currency is that here in the Philippines, Filipinos use 220 volt. Also there's 220 volt in Korea. But in the United States, in Japan, they use 100 volt or 120 or 110. Anything that I buy from Korea, I can use without any converter. That's really good thing that I'm from Korea and I'm in the Philippines. What is this? Oh, okay. The most important part of the PC, the processor. This one can be as fast as 4 gigahertz. It has 8 cores. Not dual core, quad core, it's called octa core. It can be overclocked, it can be up to 5 gigahertz. But I guess it's better to use with safe setting. And it also has 3-year warranty. Awesome. Okay, I'm not going to open it yet. Okay, so it's time to assemble. This is motherboard, or it can be called main board. What I'm gonna do with this motherboard is I'm going to put memory and CPU on it. There's AMD sticker. I could put it on casing. Diffuse in Germany, made in Malaysia. There's cooler. Wait, I'm gonna get a camera, another one, and I'm going to record it. Okay, right now I have a camera. Alright, so this is CPU. So when I pull this down, it's going to be locked. Okay, This is my cooler. I'm gonna connect this one. So the cooler is now stick to motherboard. And then I will plug this here. Go. Okay, there. This memory card. So I have 4 slots. If I bought 4 of these, it's gonna be 32 gigabytes. But 32 gigabytes, I searched about it. It's kind of overkill. Nobody really needs that much memory. And 24 is actually a lot. But since it's about video editing, so it may need a little more extra space. Push down. Another one. Push. If you put the memory not this way but the other way, this way, you are going to mess up your memory card. So you have to be careful. Push this. So CPU and RAM have been inserted. I have assembled more than probably 50 PCs. I started doing this when I was 15 years old. The first computer that I assembled, that wasn't full assembly. That was more like replacing some parts. First computer that I upgraded, I messed up. And second time, I built it nicely. Third, fourth, until the last computer that I'm building right now, I have built everything successfully. Everything was well done. I assembled a computer for my friends, my neighbors, my co-workers. I assembled a ton of them. So if there's anybody who's gonna argue with me when it comes to assembling PC, I can confidently say I'm quite expert in it. And I also used many different cases, like small, big, very tiny one. I believe the best casing is small enough that can contain everything, but it shouldn't have extra space, because if the PC is big, then it's going to consume a lot of space in your room or on a desk. So the best way to build the best PC is find the right size casing. So here, I'm gonna put the motherboard in it. I'm wondering how can this stuff fit here? The space inside is tiny. Oh, okay. It's in. It really fits. I thought I bought a wrong case. I actually measured if it can fit or not. When I measured it, it was perfect, so I purchased it. But I was freaked out when it wasn't, going inside. The next thing that I wanna put in is graphics card. This thing first. This thing goes here on this side. Oh my god. I had to put this thing first. So I have to pull the mainboard out again. Fuck. How can I pull this out? Okay, it's easy. Okay, it's now there inside. Okay. Okay. Okay, this thing is out. Wow. Let's put the motherboard back in. This thing was so annoying. I never thought this can be detached. Okay, now it's easy. Okay, looks good. So next thing what I'm going to do is putting graphics card. Oh, so I need open another bracket. Once it's removed, there will be space. Okay. 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 Now I can put this in. Looks nice. Alright. Wow. I have one extra bracket that came with the casing, and I'm going to close this one. Oh, two. Oh, there are two. Okay, there. I have to screw there. Oh, something that I didn't do. There's some space. Okay, anyway, not difficult. I need to put this back. There should be some adjustment. Ugh. Oh, so hard. This screw here, I need something. Okay, this stuff. Okay, this thing. I will just screw a new foundation that will support motherboard to be like hovering over the case. Put the unit. Okay, that's there. Okay, graphics card fits in here, and there's actually a little bit of space, but I think if I force it, it may not be good because I don't know which one is the problem, bracket or this casing. There's just about like a half centimeter gap. If I close it, I think this part will go up, so since it's sturdy, I guess it's enough. Okay, the next one will be SSD. It's so small. This cable, like this. The cable goes down here. There is USB 3.0. Next one, I will put in power supply. System fan. This is power cable for the SSD. Done. The most popular mouse in Korea. Look at this. I will call my videographer and I will get the computer and use for him. Okay, let's see his reaction when he receives it. Today is another day.
Oh. What's that for?
This is for assembling computer.
Oh, okay.
This is the end of it. You sit down. This is the computer. It's small.
The casing.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why it was hard.
The motherboard has HDMI, right, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
Read first. I will give you time. Okay, so I'm going to explain the license and
okay.
the warranty.
Oh.
Just keep everything. And this one, the graphics card, 5-year warranty. You don't need to worry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will make sure you will not spend any amount of money. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is a bootable Windows 10. This is for motherboard, but this has no CD-ROM, so maybe you have to put inside your laptop and then
Sir, I have a
CD-ROM.
CD-ROM.
Oh, that's good.
Can I open this, sir?
Yeah.
Where's the... Why is it sealed? You sealed it
I
again?
Yeah, I sealed that again because my maid might think this is garbage. So his name is unboxing. What do you think about the size of the computer?
It's a cute size.
Yeah.
I'm just worried about the cooling.
The cooling in this computer is really nice.
Okay.
You don't need to worry. Big case doesn't mean it can cool well.
It's just that I can add more things.
Ah,
Inside.
yeah.
It looks like a speaker.
Yeah, it
This
is. You got a speaker instead of computer.
Yeah, here. This is actually a computer
Also
case.
USB 3.0,
Okay, so
USB 2.0.
2.0. Hmm.
Yeah,
Everything's functioning, right?
yeah. You
This
see
one.
cooling.
Okay. Yeah. Snowflake.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's convincing.
yeah. So this is the end of vlog. Bye. This is how you open this. Okay, I'm an expert.